Hey, back again with another video. This time we're gonna do something a little different. This is Greenday. I know not everyone, uh, well, I don't know much anything, but I know how to play this song called Warning, and it's a Green Day song called Warning, and we're gonna play it with the following chords: A, D, G, D. If this was a Bob Ross show, you'd see, the colors across the screen there, except it'd be chords. Today we're going to use A and D and G and D. So, a lot of palm muting too. This is a public service announcement. This is only a test. Emergency evacuation protest. It may impair your ability to operate machinery. Can't quite tell just what it means to me. Keep out of reach and don't talk to strangers. Get your philosophy from a bumper sticker. So that's the first verse. And I think the chords are the same for the chorus too. Warning, live without warning. Warning, live, warning. Safety in communities. Did you remember? Pay the utility. Caution, police line, you better not cross. Is it the cop or am I the one that's really dangerous? Sanitation, inspiration day. Question everything or shut up and be a victim of authority. That's it. That is a really easy song. You just get the breaks with the band, because this is like a song for a band. You gotta have some bass and drums and electric. And there's some like harmonies on the chorus if you can get together with your friends or bandmates or what have you. And that's Warning. Green Day. All right, keep practicing.